Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the Facebook session expired error. This error usually occurs due to server crash or maintenance on the Facebook Meta side. Additionally, problems occurring within the application will cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this purpose, we will try to solve the problem by giving you a few suggestions. Maintenance work or crashes on Meta servers will cause you to encounter various errors like this. Therefore, the first thing we will do is to check the server status by accessing the Meta status website. If there seems to be any problem on the Meta status site, you will have to wait for the developers to fix it. A problem with the Facebook cache may cause you to encounter various errors such as this. Therefore, you can eliminate the problem by clearing the Facebook cache. Access the Settings menu, then tap Applications. Tap the Facebook application on the screen that opens. Then tap the storage option and clear it by clicking the Clear Data button. After this process, open the Facebook app and check if the problem still occurs. If the Facebook application is not up to date, you will encounter various errors such as this and will not be able to use many features. If you encounter Facebook session expired, you need to check whether the Facebook application is up to date. To do this, check whether Facebook has received a new update request using the Google Play Store or App Store application. Problems occurring in the new version of the Facebook application may cause you to encounter various errors such as these. For this, we can eliminate the problem by installing the old version of the Facebook application. After reaching the link in the article, download the old version. Run the downloaded APK file and start the installation process on your device. If Facebook is installed, uninstall it from your device. After the installation process is completed, you can check if the problem persists by running the Facebook application. In this video, we gave information on how to fix the Facebook session expired error. If the problem persists, do not forget to mention it in the comments.